Vidya, the modern education, is regular schooling with best of technology. Sadvidya, the traditional education, is knowledge of everlasting Indian values, forming conduct and ethics. Brahma Vidya, the spiritual education, is knowledge of spirituality and God, and science that explains them. Propagating true education in the world is the noblest work of all. Inspired by this message of Bhagavan Swaminarayan, Shastriji Maharaj, Sri Dharmajivan Das Ji Swami established Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul at Rajkot, Gujarat in 1948 for the first time. With the blessings of Akhanda Bhagavat Parayan Sri Jogi Swami, today it is directed by Guruvarya Mahanta Swami Sri Devakrishna Das Ji Swami. For over a decade, Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School at Hyderabad, the fourth branch under this organization, is fostering the mission with its CBSE, SSC and BIE curricula under the efficient guidance of Sadguru Sri Dev Prasad Das Ji Swami. And now, at Bangalore, in one of the world's leading IT centers, comes the one and only center that is carving individuals filled with high degree of educational excellence measured with spirituality. Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School, SGIS, Bangalore, fusing ancient wisdom and modern technology. In the management of Gurukul Hyderabad and supervision of Sadguru Sri Dev Prasad Das Ji Swami, Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School, Bangalore, spread in 28 acres on the way to Mysore, is such a center.
Neither the international standard facility nor the stunning infrastructure, we desire to find the real essence of Gurukul in our students. We frame professionals filled with character.
The introduction of International General Certificate of Secondary Education, IGCSE, University of Cambridge, UK, along with Indian Certificate of Secondary Examination, ICSE, gives SGIS an international foundation. The e-education program, that is the concept of designing multimedia-enabled classrooms and providing campus-wide network-enabled personal laptops, is one of the pioneering prospects by SGIS, which makes it a unique learning experience. SGIS looks beyond textbooks and conventional learning methods, thus providing creative learning practice through its well-equipped science laboratories, IT labs, knowledge-rich library and auditorium. The Aero Modeling program is indeed a rare one which any school can have. Finally, to this ladder of education, SGIS offers Bachelor of Science in Biotechnology as its degree program.
What is theory without practicality and practicality without theory? Here in Swaminarayan Gurukul Institute of Science, we did a lot of research work, and so we have got well-equipped biotechnology, biochemistry and genetics lab.
Also, for students who need special coaching, SGIS includes IIT Foundation right from 6th grade.
Without information, it's only in the class and assess how they are teaching.
Swaminarayan International School is an unique institution working in the field of education. One should be proud enough to be a student of this distinguished institution where all-round personality development is possible through curricula, co-curricular and extracurricular activities.
Truly, Krishna Kids Zone is a learn while fun area for pre-primary students.
Arts and Crafts.
The specially furnished Nishkulanand Arts and Craft Room builds creativity in them. Students do not just confine themselves to academics. Challenges at SGIS extend to sports, athletics, and physical fitness. Olympic standard sports facilities encourage them to play with skill, zeal, and spirit of generosity.
learning the art of understanding with moral values rooted in spirituality. Really, it's an amazing place to develop our children.
SGIS offers students an arena for creating their own world through music, dance, drama and pyramids. And a mere touch of recreation at amusement park recharges their energies.
जो हमारे हिंदुस्तान के संस्कार, हमारी मातृभूमि के जो प्रेम है, वो भी हमारा बच्चा आगे बढ़कर इसको भूले नहीं। इन दोनों कामों का, इन दोनों चीजों का तालमेल इस स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल स्कूल में हमें देखने को मिलता है।
Above all, the true essence of life, the spirituality, is engraved in each individual. SGIS strives to create a society that is filled with character, conduct and morality. And this aspect of SGIS makes it unique.
गुरुकुलों की परंपरा प्राचीन परंपरा है। मैं सोचता हूँ कैसे गुरुकुल में पढ़ने का मुझे सौभाग्य क्यों नहीं मिला।
And so on. But they encompass the entire humanity, the entire world. As Swamiji said, this is the education is the most powerful vehicle.
SGIS aims at producing ideal students instilled with modernity, spirituality and nationality.
Jai Swaminarayan.